Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox settings and confirming your email. This links the Authenticator. Once done, go to Security and tap two-step verification to start. You will see a QR code or a manual key. Choose QR if your phone can scan. Make sure to have Google Authenticator already installed on your mobile device. This step creates the connection between Roblox and the app, so pause here until the code screen is visible in Roblox. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon to add an account. Once it prompts, scan the Roblox QR code or type the provided key. You do this so Authenticator generates time-based codes tied to your Roblox account. Once the entry appears, note the 6-digit code shown, enter it back in Roblox and submit. If it fails, double-check device time settings. After successful verification, Authenticator and Roblox are linked, and you'll see confirmation on the Roblox security page. Complete the process by saving backup codes Roblox offers and storing the manual key somewhere secure. This prevents lockout if you lose your phone. Once done, enable automatic time synchronization on your mobile device because Authenticator codes are time-based and must match Roblox server time. After storing backups, log out and sign in to test a full two-step login cycle. If codes aren't accepted, resync your phone clock and try again. This is the key troubleshooting tip for most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.